We can't let Mom hear us. We need to clean our toys.
What's going on here?
I just wanted to wash my toys.
Children are not allowed to turn on the washing machine.
So many buttons.
This is dangerous because it can leak. Make too much foam and break down. But children can sort dirty clothes.
Oh, Mom. We need to sort the clothes into black, white, and colored. Take this t-shirt, shorts, and cap. These are colored clothes. That's right. You're colored too. Take these jeans, socks, and skirt. These are black clothes. Take this blouse, tights, and tank top. These are white clothes. Oops! We forgot to take off this colored bow. We did it!
Let's wash your toys with colored clothes.
Careful, kitten. I love washing. Let's have a foam party. Foam fight. Oh no! My kitten got into the washing machine! Don't be afraid! The water is rising! We need to call Mom and ask her to open the washing machine! The kitten can't breathe underwater! We need to do something! A bubble? Is that a shark? The kitten is missing! We must find it faster than the shark! Maybe the kitten is inside the red skirt? Keep looking, Denny. Maybe the kitten is behind the yellow shorts? Maybe the kitten is under the blue cap? We have to stand up to the shark. My kitten is inside the washing machine.
Always check the pockets of your clothes and the drum of the washing machine.
I hope nothing happened to my phone inside the washing machine. Huh? What's this? What that? A selfie? Please, please, we want to go outside.
You sure?
What? Oh no! My ship!
Huh?
Ouch!
It's not safe outside. play at home, please.
Dad's sleeping. Let's go.
The water level has reached critical.
Where's my ship? Here it is. I'll catch it. I'll row to my ship. Denny, help! Whoa, there's a maze. Catch me! Right. Huh? Denny, faster! I am here. Look out! Grabbing onto something helps. As well as climbing onto something. I'm almost out of the maze. Pull, Denny. My savior! Huh? That's my phone. Who's calling me? Dad has figured out that we're not at home. I am in the bath. La 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 la.
I know you've run away. Please don't panic. You must find the highest place and wait there until help arrives.
Got it! We need to climb higher. Huh? This doesn't seem right. Whoa! I found it. But do it safely. Let's go. It's so wobbly. I fell off. The roof of a car isn't stable. Let's try again. Better jump on a tree. We need to get even higher. No! A lamppost can give you an electric shock. Choose a roof. What's that noise? Look! Help is coming! We need to attract his attention. I'll use my shoe! We are saved!
During a storm, you should stay at home with adults. But if you're already in the water, then grab onto something. Try to get as high as possible. And send signals to rescuers.
Maybe you would like to go diving with me? Dad, what's happening? Egg, look at that! I don't believe it! A monster!
It's not a monster. It's an earthquake. First, we must drop and find a safe place to take cover.
I need to find somewhere to hide.
It's best to use a big, sturdy table. And then we must hold on.
Oh no! A monster!
Denny, it's an earthquake. We need to move away from buildings.
Huh?
That's too close to buildings. That's perfect. We're safe here.
Is it over?
Why is this happening? Did I do something wrong?
You didn't do anything wrong, sweetie. Earthquakes are caused by movements deep under the ground, and we feel the shaking because of it.
I'm scared.
Take a deep breath. Name 3 objects you can see.
Toaster, microwave, and Mr. Rabbit.
You can hug Mr. Rabbit. Take a deep breath and exhale. Now you're calm and not afraid.
Don't use the playground. It's too dangerous. We need to find an open area. There might be aftershocks.
What are aftershocks?
Here they are. It's some more shaking after the first earthquake. Too close to the tree. The building might collapse. Great. Now we're safe and don't need to be afraid of aftershocks.
I don't like this, Dad.
Maybe it's over. Stay here.
Don't be long.
The door is stuck.
Maybe I can see if there's someone outside.
I'll look out the window.
We must stay away from the windows. They might shatter.
What will we do now?
Don't worry. I'll call 911 for help. Let's find objects that can help someone hear us.
Let's start looking. An egg!
Huh? Yuck!
That won't do. I found a spoon. What else is there? Ketchup? No! Mmm, tasty.
Where could it be?
Check inside the microwave.
The microwave? We need more things. This will do. Flour? I don't think so. Aha! A pot!
Great! Now we can use these items to attract attention.
Let's rock!
Oh no! The roof is caved in! How are we going to find Viv and Steve?
Don't worry. I'm calling 911.
This is the confinement area.
Look, Dad!
Hooray! We are saved!
Kids, what have you learned today about earthquakes?
We must use safe cover. Remember aftershocks. Wait for emergency services. Now we know what to do if there's an earthquake. Oops. I think we've overdone it with the high five.
Uh-oh. We're on a road trip.
Ow.
Sure, Mom. The car has a robot?
A monster!
It's not a monster. It's an earthquake.
Huh?
First, we must drop and find a safe place to take cover. It's best to use a big, sturdy table. And then we must hold on.
Oh no! A monster!
Denny, it's an earthquake. We need to move away from buildings.
Huh?
That's too
I wanna
close
take a
to
photo.
buildings. That's perfect. We're safe here.
Huh?
Why is this happening? Did I
squirrel.
do something wrong?
You didn't do anything wrong,
Get off
sweetie.
me!
Earthquakes are caused by movements deep under the ground, and we feel the shaking because of it.
I'm scared.
Take a deep breath. Name 3 objects you can see.
Toaster, microwave, and Mr. Rabbit.
You can hug Mr.
Ready?
Rabbit.
Let's go.
Take a deep breath and exhale. Now you're calm and not afraid.
Don't use the playground. It's too dangerous. We need to find an open area. There might be aftershocks.
What are aftershocks?
Here they are. It's some more shaking after the first earthquake.
Great job!
Too close to the tree. The building might
Tasty?
collapse. Great. Now we're safe
I love this
and
show.
don't need to be afraid of aftershocks.
Maybe it's over. Stay here. The door is stuck.
Maybe I can see if there's someone outside.
We must stay away from the windows. They might shatter.
We can do that!
Don't worry. I'll call 911 for help. Let's find objects that can help someone hear us.
I can see another one!
Huh? Yuck!
Baby!
Where could it be?
Check inside the microwave.
And I need this gas mask!
Great! Now we can use these items to attract attention.
Oh no! The roof is caved in! How are we going
We'll
to
start with
find
this
Viv
piece.
and Steve?
Don't worry. I'm calling 911.
Let's find out.
This is the confinement area.
Look, everyone!
Oh?
We did it!
Hooray! We are saved!
Kids, what have you learned today about earthquakes?
We must use safe cover. Remember aftershocks. Wait for emergency services.
Now we know what to do if there's an earthquake. Oops!
Dad!
I think we've overdone it with the high five.
It won't be hard. Wow, I'm popular. But I need more likes.
I don't like this, Denny. Almost there. Okay, here goes. Denny, help me!
Oh no! Don't let me go, Denny! What are you doing?
I need this spot to shoot a video.
But we're playing here.
My likes are more important. I am a star. And now I'll get thousands of likes.
Are you sure this is how likes are received?
You'll see.
Why are all the faces sad?
Why didn't it work?
Why don't you give it up? Come play with us.
Maybe sports are more popular now?
Pass the ball to me!
Look out, Ollie.
Oh no, I'm a loser.
Are you okay?
I got it. They didn't like that you two were in the frame. Leave
Okay, that was rude.
alone.
What? Come on, Viv!
Our friend is obsessed with social media. We have to save him. Let's go.
Are you seeing this?
Hey, get down. It's dangerous.
But I really need likes.
I'll take this.
You should take a break from your phone.
Give it to me. It's my precious.
It's a social media addiction. We have to help Ollie.
Wait for me. Come and get it. We need to jump. Ooh, that was close.
Which button should I press?
Hit the green one. Books are more soothing than social media.
Quick, Denny.
Which button should I press now?
Hit the green one. Active games are good for mental health.
Don't look down.
Which button should I press now? One of the rooms is empty.
I know.
Hit the green one! The support of real friends is stronger than likes from virtual ones.
I'm me again.
Yeah, we've defeated your addiction. If you take time away from your phone, have a look. If you play more active games than computer games,
Gotcha.
if you don't forget your real friends, you'll be fine.
Thank you. I'd rather chat like this.
Huh?